Today I will introduce you guys our August new release, large surprise box. You may also call it explosion box. You will get a cube with a side length of 4 inches. The dies contain some leaves, flowers, 26 alphabet, 10 numbers, and this little banner. Combine them freely to decorate the surface of the box. Open it. There are 4 big pockets, 2 styles as you see. Besides, you could stick number or flowers to decorate it. Although the box only has 1 layer, but there is enough space for you to DIY or combine with our previous products. The die has a seal-like banner. It could be used as decoration alone or just to seal the box with it. See how to open or tear it. Let's see what could match with this box. Let's have a look of this combination. First, match with the file back and file box. Put the file back around and mini album inside page. You could put 2 file boxes in the middle of the box. Two, combined with the matchbox. I made a 3 layers matchbox. You could also make 4 layers and put some little gifts in it. File backs and inside page around could make the box look plump. Three, matched with the small typewriter. Put some rolled paper in it and the matchbox below. I don't show here. Check my previous videos. You could put the file backs and inside pages around. 4. Matched with medium or small surprise boxes. In the video, I just made 1 layer. As you see, 1 medium or 2 small. You could make other combinations like 4 small or 2 medium, or make 2 layers like 4 medium or 8 small. 5. Matched with the mini album. Here I made more pages of the album. The album even contains all our 3D pop-ups. The explosion box with this album. I love it so much. I do not stick them because I'll make many combinations to show you. If you make it send to your friends, you could stick them on the middle of the box. In the end, I want to introduce the usage of the seal banner. When you finish the box combination and plan to give your friend, we could make a seal to lock the box. Make what you want inside the box ready, and you need 2 lids. One is above, the other is below. Use this seal banner to stick the 2 lids. You could stick 2 sides or 4 sides. Have some word on it like open it, surprise, or something else to lead your friends to open it. Here the seal banner, the box could be opened. Is this full of rich sense of opening gifts?